Hey there truck enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel where we dive into everything you need for your ride. Today, we're shining the spotlight on the unsung hero of truck accessories, the tonneau cover. From sleek designs to heavy-duty protection, we've researched and tested the best options on the market. Stick around as we unveil the top contenders to keep your truck bed stylish, secure, and ready for any adventure. Let's roll into the world of the best tonneau covers. Number 1. Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Introducing the Tiger Auto T3 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Cover, featuring a dual-coated 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl and side rails and clamps made from aluminum with a powder-coated finish. Boasting a watertight sealing mechanism, this cover effectively prevents water ingress. The latch lock system, sealed by Velcro strips on the sides, ensures a tight and secure fit during driving, preventing any untimely blowaways. Tiger stands behind this product with a limited lifetime warranty. The T3 comprises a soft vinyl sheet and aluminum rails that easily mount to your truck's bed using secure clamps, complemented by Velcro strips for additional fastening along the mounts. When unfurled, the cover smoothly rolls up to the rear window. Notably, a mechanical latch at the tailgate and an internal tension adjustment device are included. The adjuster empowers you to accommodate temperature-related expansion or contraction, while the black vinyl tonneau offers opacity to the bed and shields against some sun and weather elements. It's worth noting that heavy rain may permit slight moisture infiltration into the truck bed. Key features: weather-tight sealing, no drilling required, locking truck bed cover, limited lifetime warranty. Number 2. Tiger Auto T3 Trifold Tonneau Cover. Presenting the Tiger Auto T3 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Cover, featuring a distinctive blend of dual-coated 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl and aluminum side rails and clamps with a robust powder-coated finish. Engineered with watertight sealing, this cover effectively bars water infiltration. The latch lock system, sealed by Velcro strips on the sides, ensures a snug and secure fit, eliminating the risk of the cover being displaced while driving. Tiger stands behind this product with a comforting limited lifetime warranty. The T3 is composed of a soft vinyl sheet and aluminum rails effortlessly fastened to your truck's bed using clamps, augmented by Velcro strips for enhanced stability along the mounts. When in operation, the cover smoothly rolls up to the rear window. Noteworthy features include a mechanical latch at the tailgate and an internal tension adjustment device. The adjuster provides adaptability to compensate for temperature-induced expansion or contraction. Although the black vinyl tonneau grants opacity to the bed and offers partial protection against sun and weather elements, it's essential to acknowledge that during heavy rain, some moisture may penetrate the truck's bed. Number 3. Oedro Soft Quad Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Oedro Soft Quad Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is designed to seamlessly fit with a wide range of popular pickup trucks available in the market. Its installation is a breeze, requiring no additional tools. Crafted from dual-layer polyvinyl chloride, PVC, an exceptionally robust form of plastic, this cover ensures durability. The waterproof fabric guarantees that your cargo remains dry under all conditions. Featuring 4 built-in horizontal crossbars, Oedro's quad-fold bed cover provides essential support when fully unfolded, while efficiently saving space when folded up. The tonneau cover, constructed with double-layer PVC, has undergone rigorous testing for UV protection and exceptional tensile properties. The package includes pre-assembled powder-coated rails and aluminum clamps, ensuring a trouble-free installation process and delivering formidable stability. Number 4. Truzido Trucksport Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Setting aside its whimsically cute name, the Truzido brand consistently earns positive reviews from real-world customers, regularly securing its position as one of the top-rated tonneau cover brands. This specific model is a soft cover that stretches tightly over the truck bed and can be conveniently rolled up like a tarp when not in use. Featuring a robust frame, this cover is installed with rails that securely clamp onto your truck's bed without the need for any drilling or specialized tools. Manual adjustment of the cover's tension is possible, allowing you to tailor it to the contents of your truck bed, although we advise against attempting to stretch it over, say, a pile of gravel. Available in various sizes and styles, this tonneau cover is equipped with dual paddle latches for added security, easily unlocking when quick access to your truck bed is needed. With its slim design, it avoids a bulky appearance and won't compromise the aesthetic of your pickup. Most onlookers may not even notice it's there. Pros: top-tier rating, installs without drilling holes in your new truck. Cons: soft covers can easily be sliced open by a knife-wielding crook. Number 5. BAK Flip G2 Hard Folding Tonneau Cover. The BAK Flip G2 Hard Folding Cover stands out with its low-profile design, allowing you the flexibility to drive with the cover fully closed or partially open. While this feature is not entirely unique, what sets it apart is its exceptional ability to flip up against the truck's back window, ensuring 100% bed access. This distinguishes it from some covers where the front 1/3 remains clamped unless entirely removed, making it a strong contender for the title of the best tonneau cover in the market. Crafted with durable aluminum panels, this hard tonneau cover boasts an automatic latching system that enhances security compared to vinyl covers. Prop rods conveniently hold the cover upright when open, securely stowing away when the cover is partially or fully closed. This unique design allows for easy loading and transportation of large cargo without the need to uninstall the cover. Additionally, the manufacturer rates it for use under up to 300 pounds of pressure and provides a generous 3-year warranty with each purchase.